How to log in into your Orca Card account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in order to log into your Orca Card account, follow the steps. First of all, you have to visit the Orca website. Go to the official Orca website and you can find it by searching the Orca Card on your preferred web search engine or type the website address directly, that is myorca.com. You have to locate the login section. Look for the option of sign in or sign up and simply click on it. This section on this website allows you to log into your Orca account, enter your email and your password in order to proceed to login. Once you have successfully logged in, you should be able to access your Orca account dashboard. From there, you can manage your Orca card, check your card balance, add value to your card, set up automatic reloading, and update your account information. After accessing your account, it's a really good practice to log out, especially on a shared or public computer. Look for an option to log out in the account menu or the settings. If you have trouble logging in or forgot your username or your password, most sites have a forgot password or forgot username or reset password feature to recover your login credentials. Follow the prompts to reset your password or retrieve your username. If you encounter any difficulties during the login process or need assistance, contact the Orca Customer Help Support service for the support. They can help troubleshoot issues and ensure successful access to your Orca account. So this is basically on how to log into your Orca Card account. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.